you so much everybody for coming. Really appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much. My name is Sandeep Gupta. Thank you so much, Srikanth or Sri Vidya. It's an honor and privilege to have you here. So let me put each and every ground rule on the ground right now that how this whole meeting will go. Sri Vidya, I have approximately 45 minutes. How much?
Yes, 45 minutes.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. So I'll really appreciate if you can come on camera so that both of us can, because understand there will be some bitter truth which I will be going to tell you which you have never seen in your life. First thing is that, and some of you businessmen will get offended with my communication, and please excuse me for that one, because the way you will operate the business is a different ball game, right? And I will be also deciphering my journey in last 13 months, how I have scaled business from zero to approximately 30 to 40 lakh rupees revenue, being a businessman plus in employee category as well. So be in the space where the miracles show up in your life, and chat, and please do not chat in the comment box anything unnecessary. I will be giving you an opportunity. Me and Sri Vidya will be giving the opportunity to introduce yourself at the later part of this whole session. So be accountable for that one. If you agree, just chat in the comment box agree, and we are going to start right now. Just chat in the comment box agree. Yes, right now you can use the chat. Yes. Yes, thank you so much, everybody. Great, perfect. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much, everybody. So how many of you know me exactly? Who am I and who am not? Yeah. So some of you know me, otherwise some of you don't know me. I will just brief about me, who am I, and then we will go ahead. So first of all, always understand one thing very clearly, that business growth cannot happen without personal finance growth. Listen this conversation very clearly right now, because some of you will be thinking that कि automatically काम करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. No, it doesn't happen like that, right? So understand one thing, until unless you do not manage your personal finance, you cannot grow the business the way it has to grow. अगर आप अपना ही पर्सनल फिनांस अगर नहीं सही कर पाओगे तो फिर हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू हैंडल द बिजनेस, बिकॉज यू मे बी मेकिंग 10 लाख 20 लाख 30 लाख रुपीस, बट इन योर बिजनेस यू विल बी मेकिंग 1 crore 2 crore 10 crore rupees. So if you don't manage your personal finance, how you are thinking that you can manage the business growth? No, it is not going to happen, right? Thank you so much, everybody. I hope that so many people from my community really appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much, Chetan, Murli, GS, thank you so much. BM Diwari, Ruchir, Shankar, thank you so much. Sharma ji, Vedla, really want to acknowledge each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Jayant, Geeta, Satya, Dheeraj, Pawan, Manjeet, great to have you here. Keep looking into your life right now, what you can decipher from my communication. And I will be telling you 12 secrets how you can scale your business by putting a little bit strategy into the place, right? So I will be deciphering all those things for you, everybody. Yes, perfect, great. So first thing is that I would let you know that your personal finance is your personal responsibility. And what is personal finance? That how much money you are putting from your business into your pocket. Understanding one thing very clearly, until unless you are not segregating your business income with your personal income, you are going to kill your business. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day. How many people are right now feeling that? And आपको पता ही नहीं चलता है कि business कर रहा हूँ कि personal नौकरी कर रहा हूँ. How many people are right now in that zone? You thought that I will leave the job, and right now you came into another job. How many people can relate with that one? And it became a circle for you, right? Srikanth said to us, right? If you are doing each and everything right now, you are a started accountant, sweeping bhi kar rahe ho, marketing, advertisement, all those things, right? So keep looking into your life right now, until unless you don't demarcate your personal finance and business finance separately. All that जो भी आप करने वाले हो ना, it will automatically fall down. So first of all, clearly understand one thing very clearly. Any amount of money is hitting into your account, you need to decipher that कितना पैसा business में जाएगा और कितना पैसा personal. Never put इधर उधर नहीं करना है कि today this month I don't have a cash, I will take money from my kitchen and put it into another bucket. नहीं होने वाला. Keep both things are separate, and that's why people fail miserably. And how many people have failed that way? Because you are thinking that no, I am running the business, I am the owner of my home, I am also the owner of business. Absolutely, but both of them are the different entity. Both of them are in the different entity. And until आप ये circus करते रहोगे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला life में. Keep looking into your life right now, what you are doing in that space, right? Sri Vidya, I am getting so many messages about admitting the people. Okay, so it will distract me. So personal finance, keep looking into your life right now. Are you clearly defining that how much money you will be taking for your kitchen, for your home, for your running expenses? If you are not doing that one, you are killing the whole business from your side. And the way you conduct your personal finance is the same way you will conduct the business as well. You cannot become two different person in two different space, because you are the only person who is business, who owns the business, right? Clearly understand that thing. Personal finance comes first, then business comes. And when you start demarketing both of the things, paisa aaya account mein, take one salary, take a profit, whatever amount is comfortable, 5%, 10%, 15%. Don't rotate here ka paisa yahan, wahan ka paisa nahi chalega.
Sandeep, please make me co-host because I'm not getting the admissions here.
Okay, I'll do that one. Just give me a second. I can do that one. I need to check right now. No, either I need to make you host or
just give it. Yeah, okay.
Co-host का इसमें आ नहीं रहा है, कोई बात नहीं. I will manage, no problem. Don't worry. Yeah, perfect. So keep looking into your life, right? And that some of you will be right now will be judging me. I'm telling you because you have been in the business for 30 years, but I am only 12 months into the business, actual business, but my mindset is approximately 7 years old in the business. So some of you will be judging me right now, evaluating me right now. Who am I? But I will be telling you the truth which you have never encountered anymore. And maybe that you will get offended, but excuse me for that one. But only one or two parameters which I am going to tell you will define the whole destiny of your business. That's a guarantee, because I don't work anything which I am not doing in my business actually, right? So first thing is that. Second thing is that you need to also understand that you are the business. You are the business. Don't demarcate that business alag hai, aap alag hai. No. You are the dukaan. You are the industry. You are the plant. You are the machinery. You are the resource. You are the only person who's responsible for the business. And you are the business. And business needs investment. What needs? Business needs investment. Technological front, intellectual front, relationship front, money ke relation mein, finance, everything. Because if you became the business, then you can run the business. But if you think that you are not a business, nothing is going to happen. Some people will not get this confronting statement right now, I'm telling you. But be in the zone, because until unless you don't treat you are a valuable asset for the business and you don't invest money in yourself to grow, maybe that business will not grow. Right now, one or 2 hours you will be spending here. You will be spending here 1.5 hours to just listen to me. So you are right now investing your time. You are right now investing your time. Be in the inquiry that what you are going to get. And this investment will make business move. And that kind of, I am telling you that you need to start thinking that how you can decipher the code, that how you can conduct yourself, how you can make yourself valuable to the marketplace. The moment you make yourself valuable to the marketplace, money becomes a natural phenomenon. Right? Next point is that, and I will be giving an opportunity for the question answer at the later part of this whole communication, right? Next part is that you are the asset. Understand, you started business. It means what? It means that you wanted to make a profit, and if you are not making the profit, so what is the necessity of the business? अगर आप धंधे में पैसा नहीं बना पा रहे हो तो कोई फायदा नहीं. And what is the definition of asset? Asset means something which is putting money into your pocket. If you are somebody who is thinking कि अगले 2 साल बाद पैसा बनाऊंगा, 4 years के बाद में पैसा बनाऊंगा, no. Today you are running the business. Today you need money to run the business. And 95% people fail in the business because they don't have a cash flow. Agreed or disagreed? Just chat in the comment box right now. 95% people or businesses will die in next 2 to 3 to 4 years because they are not able to manage the funds. धंधे में पैसा लगता है, और अगर पैसा मैनेज नहीं कर पाओगे तो कोई फायदा नहीं है. Because you started the business to make money, not to do the charity. Charity करना था तो फिर NGO खोल लेते हैं हम, नौकरी कर लेते हैं. Isn't it? You did not. I am telling you, and the people are thinking that I want to service the people. Absolutely good, but first you need to service yourself. And how you need to service yourself? By making the profit in the marketplace. So keep looking into your life right now. What is happening in your business right now? Right? So you are the asset, and if you are an old asset which is not generating money for you, you need to become a new asset. And how you can become new asset? By adopting the technology right now. by adopting the mindset of an entrepreneur, by learning something which was not existing 20 years back. Now listen this conversation. Some of you will be very old right now, maybe 40 or 50 or 30 years in the experience, but you cannot run the business in 2021 the way you have been operating in 1917, 80s, 90s, 2000 or 9. Agreed or disagreed? Can you operate the business? Because previously the realm was different. Today you can't operate from the same frequency, same mindset. No, 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 no. You can't. Am I making sense or not? Right now, previously we were meeting in the MG Road, right? Springboard. Right now we took each and everything in offline. Then we experimented with Google Meet. Right now here we are working on that one. We are technologically right now upgrading ourselves. Understand, you cannot operate the business with the mindset of 1970 in 2021. You need to leave your thought process. And some of you will be very attached कि नहीं मैं तो reference model पे ही काम करूंगा. Somebody has to recommend me my product. No, 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 no. It doesn't happen like that. Absolutely, somebody has to recommend, but scalability will never happen if you are only depend on the reference model. Agreed or disagreed? How many people can you reach out? 100, 200, 300 people. That's all. But if you want to scale your business, you need to create an asset in your life, and that is what my communication is. You are the biggest asset. Start investing in yourself. Next point is that you are the best investment in the business. I'll tell you my story. I'm a banker by profession. I will tell you my story in next 3 to 4 minutes. I'm a banker by profession. I have been in the banking industry almost for 13 to 15 years. I was just doing the financial planning for the people who are my friends. Till March last year, nothing was happening in my life. I got a break in my life when this COVID hit. I got a plenty number of hours which I can utilize and make online business presence. And some of you know my story right now. Right now, I'm India's leading spiritual financial planner in less than 13 months. How it can happen? Because I adopted technology. I learned the skills which I was not having. That's the only truth. You will become dinosaur in your business. I'm telling you. Don't get offended right now. If you think that the world is going to be the same after COVID, no. The dynamics are changes. If you are not changing, done, khatam, complete, finish. Dynamics are changing business. You need to put yourself into the technology front and scale. Right now, you can't scale. No, I need to one machinery item and I need to manufacture. Yes, absolutely, you'll do. But if government will not allow you to open the shop, can you open the shop? Tell me. No, you can't go against the company, right? Right, that is how you need to understand that you need to evolve yourself and start putting the investment in yourself, and you are the biggest investment in your life. The more you invest in your communication, in your skill set, in your selling skill, in your scalability, in your running the marketing, advertisement, proposals, collaborations, product designing, you are set. And you need to learn that logic. Nothing will happen unless you do not learn all those things. Yes, so keep looking into in your life. You are the biggest investment in the business. Next thing is that cash is king. If right now in your home you are salaried or a small business owner, or you are having a multiple business, but if you are not managing your cash flow, you will never be able to sustain in the market. Agreed or disagreed? And cash is king. Cash king hai, or the next statement is that cash flow is kingdom. You can create kingdom by cash flow. Now, how many of you are right now struggling to manage the cash flow right now? Chat in the comment box me, and don't get offended. We are friends. We want to educate you, plus want to become accountable. Just chat in the comment box. Nothing right and nothing wrong. मैं भी struggle करता हूँ. ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि रोज मैं धंधा करता ही हूँ. Right? Abhay, thank you so much. Ab Ratnakar, thank you so much. Please go ahead. Chat in the comment box right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dheeraj. Raj Lakshmi, thank you so much. Perfect. Now, I am telling you 95% possibility is that you are also struggling to make the ends meet in home. आपके बिजनेस में अगर कैश फ्लो क्रंच हो, 95% possibility is there आपके घर में भी चैलेंज आ रहा है पैसे से रिलेटेड. Agreed or disagreed? Can you switch on your camera right now? You can face right now. because this is not going to be the cozy conversation. I am not a trainer or coach where I will tell you सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा. No, 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 no. सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा जब तक अच्छा नहीं करेंगे. Make sense or not? Because who will run the business on my behalf? Everybody has their own story. I need to run my business because my family is there, my daughter is there, my kitchen is there. I need to run my family. I need to run my business. Nobody is doing any favor to anybody. Understand that thing very critically. Until unless you are not able to manage the cash flow, you will never be able to sustain in the business. Now, going to make a profound statement. Listen this thing very clearly. Blood in blood bank doesn't have any meaning in your body. Similarly, cash in property, in machinery, in bank will not have any meaning in your business. Because to run the business, you need to have a cash flow. You need to pay the employee salary, electricity bill, furniture bill, rent bill, all those GST, all those things. From where that money will come? Tell me. Cash, cash, cash. And if you are struggling to manage that one, done. कैश फ्लो मैनेज करना है. ब्लड बैंक में अगर 500 लीटर्स भी ब्लड रखा है अपनी बॉडी पे, कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? टेल मी राइट नाउ, टेल मी. नो, because to run your body you need to blood, you need to have oxygen. You cannot think that मेरा प्रॉपर्टी है 3 साल के बाद में काम चलेगा. Employee will never be with you if you can't pay the salary. I will leave my company if they are not paying me for next 3 to 6 months. Will you be working for next 3 years with the company if they are not paying you? Crux. Cash is king and cash flow is kingdom. Liquidity is the most important thing. Absolutely enough liquidity. And that's why if today somebody is paying me 8,000 rupees and later part of the evening somebody is asking me to pay 9,000 rupees, I will always say pay me right now 8,000 rupees. I don't care you pay me 1 lakh rupees tomorrow. No, 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 no. Sustaining in the market is more important than growing the business. Growth will automatically happen in your business, but sustain धंधा में खड़े रहना important है. How many people are right now can feel what I am saying right now? Business में खड़े रहना important है. धन पैसा तो बना लोगे मार्केट में. Money is inevitable. I am telling you, money will happen by your character. Money doesn't happen with the product and service. ऐसा होता तो दुनिया में सब लोगों के पास प्रोडक्ट है, सब लोग करोड़पति होते हैं. Agreed or disagreed? Money will flow in your life, but the way you conduct into the adversities of the situation will define you which kind of business you are running. I transferred my offline business into the online and scaled to the 7 figures business right now, having a job in my hand, created approximately 14 sources of income till now. How come? Because I conduct from a different perspective. Every day I keep changing. Every day keep changing strategies, business model, but I am very stick with my topic, with my niche, with my fundamentals about the product. I'm a financial educator. I will keep educating people. ये core है. Marketing strategy will keep going. Marketing strategy ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा सब ड्रामा चलता रहेगा, but how you will define that you are going to the biggest player in the or not, right? So how many of you got the breakthrough at least till now in this space? Just chat in the inbox, got breakthrough, and I will give you an opportunity for a couple of you to unmute. What did you learn till now? You are having an opportunity to unmute. Just go ahead and share what have you experienced till now in last 20 minutes, what I have spoke right now. Chat in the comment box or you can unmute in crisp and clear. The way I speak is chota ekdam small, learning in the process. Absolutely. Anybody else? I can absolutely. Please go ahead. You can unmute yourself, Anishu. Crisp, to the point. Yeah, I got it.
So I think the PPT that you shared, which says I am the asset, I am the business, it actually makes sense because it is the personality of a person which creates the brand of the business.
Absolutely.
So and liquidity, of course. I think that really made a lot of sense and resonated with me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anshu, for sharing. Anybody else would like to share? Your growth is really astonishing. Yes, you will see the magic right now. Abhi, let me just get warmed up. I'm telling you, there are some people who are struggling since last 3 to 5 years in the business. Chat in the comment box if you are one of them. Chat in the comment box right now. Don't get offended because we are also businessmen. हमको ही पता है कौन struggle कर रहा है, कौन struggle नहीं कर रहा. Because I also struggled approximately 7 years to make money. Listen this conversation very clearly. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अभी शाम को सोया और सुबह करोड़पति बन गया. It doesn't happen like that. Everybody struggles, and it's okay to accept that failure. It's okay. Because अगर normal होते तो सबने कर लिया होता business. धंधा is not a normal, right? It needs a character. Otherwise नौकरी कर रहे होते ना, चाय बेच रहे होते आप, रिक्शा पुलिंग कर रहे होते आप. अगर business was so simple, then everybody on the planet Earth would have been become millionaire till now. But how many? No, none of. Very less number of people, because it needs guts to be on the market. It needs a character, some specific. You will be going to sell the product and he will say, no, I will not buy. Do you get? यार demotivate हो जाते हैं हम लोग. Yes, it's obviously we are human being will get, but how do you overcome with that challenge will make you champion. Making sense? Start refining your process. Now, how many people are right now? Do you want to know about me? Who am I? Just give me the permission to share something about me. I know that more than 30-40 people are from my community. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much, everybody. Just yes. And you will be getting more golden nuggets. Just be with me here. I felt several times that you like. Yes, absolutely. Got it, Krishna. Do I have permission to share something about me? Yeah. Please give me the permission. Thank you so much. So this is what I am just telling you right now, how I am going to decipher the whole structure of this thing. Lights, camera, and on. And going to give you a couple of ground rules on that this meeting will go right now. I am telling you that commitment for the time for the businessman is the crux. If you can't come on the time, nothing will work in your life. The first part in your life to start honoring the time. And how many of you are reaching the late in the webinars, seminars, client meeting, kuch ye ho gaya? How many of you? Will be so many occasions, right? My community means you will get to know, don't worry. Yeah. So understand one thing. First thing is that you need to start committing the time. Until unless you promise something that this delivery will happen on that time, you need to make it happen. It doesn't matter that what situation you are in. Commitment for the time. Have a diary and PM right now, because 5 points I have told you, 5 points, another 5 points I will be telling you, approximately 6 to 7. Write down that one. I will be asking you to do something with that points. Have an open mind. Understand your mind is like parachute and it works well when it is open. Right now, some of you will be thinking कि मेरे को तो ये आता है. How many people are right now in that zone? कि I know it all. मैं ब्रह्मा हूँ, मैं विष्णु हूँ, मैं महेश हूँ. No. If you know it all, great. But knowing will not make any sense in your life. I know how to run the business, but I am not able to make money. Will it make any sense in my life? Tell me. I know how to speak, but nobody is there to listen to me. कोई फायदा है क्या? I am one of the biggest product in my life, but nobody is. No. Right? Start working on that, because if you are not having an open mind, maybe that some of you will be telling me something, Sandeep, ye karo, business acha ho jayega. I will ask you, please train me, guide me, teach me, coach me, mentor me. I am that kind of humble in my training, in my learning. And that is why I grow, because I don't put my brain. If something is working in your life, I will, if something is working in your life, I will take it as it is and I will apply in my business. Because you have experimented, you failed so many times. Again, I should experiment. Why? No, I will not. I don't take that thing, right? So understand one thing. If something is working with your competitor or with your in the same space people, ask from the support कि भाई आपकी जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो, and apply that thing. उसमें फिर दिमाग मत लगाओ. You need to put your flavor into that one. And I'm telling you, whatever I am speaking right now, you know it all. सब कुछ आपको पता है. But this is Sandeep Gupta's flavor. And you get money for your flavor, not because of the product. You get money from the flavor, not because of the product. Learn this logic, because you have bought some Parle-G biscuit because you have seen advertisement more than 1,000 times. You are right now buying the Navratan Tel because Amitabh Bachchan is doing the marketing. And do you think that Amitabh Bachchan 12 रुपए का तेल लगाता होगा 50 पैसे का पैकेट? आपको लगता है क्या? Because you are conducting, and he is also influencing अपनी तरफ से, right? So influence building करना पड़ेगा, and it will never happen if you have a closed mind. Parachute doesn't have any meaning in your life unless it is not open. So keep your mind open for next 45 minutes to 1 hour. Sri Vidya will be coming in the later part of this whole communication. You will be getting the business acumen, how she is running the whole design, operations, efficiency, productivity, and all those things. She will be explaining you in a better way. Have an open mind. No spamming in the group, as I said previously, because I am very clear in my communication. If you are a part of that group, need to honor everybody. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक डालोगे, मैं प्रमोट कर रहा हूं. अंडरस्टैंड, लिसन दिस कन्वर्सेशन. To grow in the business, you need to become a beautiful garden. Everybody listen this conversation. Some of you are on video, on off video, please come on that one, because this is going to be critical communication, and this statement will change the whole dynamics. And why I'm insisting right now to come on video, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है some of you are sleeping right now because कोरोना चल रहा है, धंधा तो हो नहीं रहा है, तो सो ही जाते हैं. This is धंधा, this is business. Business is happening right now. Business doesn't happen in different spaces. And some of you will be, you need to 24 hours है. आपको ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि 12 घंटे दुकान खोलूंगा. No, 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 no. Business is happening right now. Right now business is happening. And some of you will thinking, कैसे, मेरा तो प्रोडक्ट बिका नहीं. You become the way a customer needs, and you become the product for the customer. All thing is set. All thing is set. आपको प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा, right? So spamming right now. Tell me, how many of you would be interested to learn something from me in terms of business or personal finance? Chat in the comment box just right now. 84 people in the group. I want everybody's communication right now. Right now, chat in the comment box me, and I will be counting how many yes right now. In next 30 seconds, I will count. Go ahead, don't be stingy. आप अगर यहाँ पर ऐसे बिहेव करोगे कि मैं नहीं आऊं, सुन लूंगा, समझ लूंगा, आपके जिंदगी में आपका कस्टमर भी ऐसे ही करेगा. सोचूंगा, बताऊंगा, टेल यू लेटर, मम्मी से पूछूंगा, पापा. How many people are like that? If you are selling the insurance policy, how many times people have said to you, I will think later, बताऊंगा मम्मी से, पापा से, I will do research and then come, and then never come back to you. You know why you are attracting such kind of clients? Because you behave the same way from others. You cannot attract the different customer the way you are behaving as a customer from other vendor. Possible नहीं है. जैसे आप होगे वैसे ही आपको कस्टमर मिलेगा. याद रखना अपनी जिंदगी. It's a truth, but it is bitter. Agreed or disagreed? How many people are right now really? ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि you are भिखारी and you get 5 crore rupees customer. No. You can't handle that client actually. You can't handle that client. Can you? If I'll give you 1 crore rupees order, can you handle? No. You can't, because there's a journey. And unless you don't go through the journey, then nothing will happen, right? So keep looking into your life right now. No spamming, because you are the brand. You are the perfect brand, and you need to sell yourself before selling the product and services. No, people will not buy, because there are more than 1,000 products like me. I am a financial educator. You will find more than 1,000 people in the YouTube or books written. 500 लोग मेरे से अच्छे मिल जाएंगे. But the way I sell, nobody sell. The way the authenticity I have in my communication, nobody will have. क्योंकि I am not an insurance agent. ये ले लो, ये sign कर लो. No. चाहिए नहीं अपने को. चाहिए नहीं. I will educate to you, and I will make you to take a prudent decision, wise decision, informed decision. If you are with me for next 90 years. I don't want to एक बार ले लिया चले गए. नहीं, मैं काम ही नहीं करता हूँ ऐसे लोगों के साथ में. काम ही नहीं करना है अपने को. क्यों करना है काम? Every day can you find the customer? No. एक कस्टमर उसको इतनी अच्छी तरीके से लाना है so that he can pay you for 30 years. Is it good or bad? Otherwise, every day you are hunting. एक बार शिकार कर रहा है, फिर दूसरा कस्टमर, तीसरा कस्टमर. You can't grow the business, right? You are not a tea seller. Are you a tea seller? पॉपकॉर्न थोड़ी ना बेच रहे हो, आपकी 5 रुपए का बेच दिया सबको. You want a fundamental customer whose mindset is right. You are telling the price, customer is ready to pay, and customer will pay you any amount, whatever you will ask. Only thing is that, are you admitting them or not in your life? So keep looking into your life right now. Become your own brand, and you only become in the brand because you behave in a certain way. I will give you an opportunity to ask the question at the latter part of the day, right? No worry. If you are ready, just chat in the comment box, I am ready. Just chat in the comment box, I am ready. And then I will be telling you about myself, who am I. So first point is that your personal finance is your personal responsibility. And your personal responsibility happens in 3 aspects: your awareness, your acceptance, and you take action. In this whole session, I and Sri Vidya will be telling you about the business acumen. I will be taking another part, and Sri Vidya will be deciphering the another code. The way it has been designed, so you take ownership. You make yourself aware कि आपकी जिंदगी में चल रहा है, and don't be in the denial stage. Some of you will be in denial stage. अरे जब होगा तब चलेगा. Denial state में कुछ नहीं होने वाला, acceptance state में होगा. अभी कोरोना चल रहा है कि किसको पता है मार्केट कब खुलेगा? Tell me right now, who is God right now here? Tell me. Anybody knows that what will happen tomorrow? Nobody on this, even Modi doesn't know when the lockdown will open. And you, what vaccination you got, do you think that it will be effective? Nobody knows. Maybe tomorrow something can come up. Only question is that, are you changing with the environment or not? Are you changing your business model to market your product and services or not? I'm selling the Parle-G biscuit. Right now I cannot deliver, but can I place my Parle-G biscuits into the Amazon Flipkart so that it can be available for everybody? Change the business model, not the business. Delivery mechanism can be different. You can buy from the grocery, from your grocer, from Flipkart, from Amazon, from Big Basket, or you can buy the grocery from Pados wala kirana ki shop se. Only thing is that your business model has to be robust, and people fail to create a robust business model. And I'm telling you, I haven't also created robust business model, being frank with you, but I know how it has to be driven. And if my fundamentals are right, I can scale it. I can build the Burj Khalifa on that building if my foundations are clear. Making sense or not, right? So keep looking into your life right now. Some of you are in the denial stage. कि नहीं नहीं मेरी इंडस्ट्री में पैसा नहीं बन सकता है क्योंकि मैं सोलर प्लांट में हूँ, मारुति सुजुकी में हूँ, मेरा मशीनरी में है. No, सब ड्रामा है. This is all the drama is there. I am telling you, until unless you are not aware about your situation and you don't accept the situation as it is. Nothing right, nothing wrong, you are perfect, whole and complete. If you don't accept the way the things are, the way you are, the way market is, that then there is an opportunity for you to take action. And once you started taking action, your life is set. आपको खाली एक ही काम करना है कि आपको एक्शन लेना है. And this is how every business is being run. None of the business runs because you are sitting in home and दुकान खुली. हो सकता है क्या? नहीं हो सकता ना. You need to show up your own shop. Someday customer will come, someday customer will not come, someday good customer will come, someday bad customer will come, and you started putting थप्पा कि आज अच्छा दिन नहीं है, ये customer अच्छा नहीं था. Don't label the customer. Customer is customer. How many people label the customer right now कि नहीं ये अच्छा customer नहीं था, बुरा customer है? This is all those things. How many people right now कि यार ये customer बड़ा cheap है, इसने मेरे से नहीं. No. You label that customer. ठप्पा लगाते हो आप customer के पास. अच्छा नहीं है, बुरा नहीं है, paying capacity नहीं है. No. You are labeling the customer, and when you label customer, you are also affixing one label also कि I am attracting bad customer or the customer who cannot. I am telling you, 4 days ago, I have started my level 3 program that will be costing you 49,000 rupees on this recession. I sold 2 units out of that. Because यहाँ पर मेरे दिमाग में चलता है ना कि मैं पैसा बेच सकता हूँ कि नहीं बेच सकता हूँ. I decided I need to sell and I sold it. Product and services are the natural way which will go from your pocket. Only thing is that, are you able to see that customer or not, right? So keep looking into your life right now. Now this will be confronting question for some of you. Read this line right now. Have you killed money or nurtured money? Just chat in the comment box if you have killed your money till now, in last 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Chat in the comment box right now. Killed your life मतलब पैसा आया चला गया पता भी नहीं कहाँ है. Chat in the comment box right now. Chat in the comment box, yes or no. Killed or nurtured. Understand, money is your baby, right? What is that? Who produced that amount of money? You produced that amount of money, right? You worked hard, you put your heart, soul, money, knowledge, सब कुछ आपने लगाया है ना. आपने पैसा बनाया है. Whose responsibility is to nurture that money? Tell me right now. Yours or mine? Tell me right now, whose responsibility? It is your responsibility to nurture your money. And some of you did not save that money, nurtured that money, killed your money, unnecessary expenses, and right now you became 60. And your son is saying right now, I can't give you money because you have killed your money. You will take my money, you will kill my money as well. So there is a ripple, there is a friction between father and mother. Is it happening or not? Because you did not understand something 20 years back, and right now you did not made any effort to make your kid to learn all those logic, and right now your kid is also making the same mistake. So you became एक दूसरे के कंधे पर रोने वाली बात हो गई. right? So keep looking into your life right now. Have you nurtured your money or killed your money? And I'm not saying that you must be knowing everything. जितना पता है, how many people right now 20 years से उनको पता था saving is a good habit? How many of you were knowing saving is a good habit? Everybody was knowing. 15 to 20% saving was the crux. सबको पता था दुनिया में. कितने लोगों ने किया? अब करने में काम लगता है, करने में कैरेक्टर आता है, करने में हैबिट लगती है, करने में you need to put something on a stake, right? Otherwise it will not happen. Keep looking into your life right now, what happened in your life, and that's what I wanted to communicate. Understand, you are the money making machine. What machine? You are money making machine. अभी मैं पता है मैं क्या करता हूं, जिस दिन मेरा दिमाग खराब होता है वेबिनार लेता हूं, 200 लोग होते हैं, 25 लोग खरीदते हैं, 1.5 लाख रुपए अंदर. गुड बिजनेस, बैड बिजनेस, डेली का काम है मेरा, ये डेली का काम है. मॉर्निंग में मैंने वेबिनार लिया, 40 लोग आए थे, 12 लोगों ने ले लिया, 1.5 लाख का काम हो गया, खत्म. लोड ही नहीं लेना है अपने को लाइफ में. एंड बैकएंड में सपोर्ट है, बैकएंड में सपोर्ट है. हाउ इट इज सपोर्ट? माय अकाउंट इज एक्टिव, माय कस्टमर को वीडियो देना है, वो सब कुछ देता हूं मैं. नो ओवरहेड. आई डोंट हैव ए एम्प्लॉय, यू नो, नो, आई हैव ऑल द फ्रीलांसर्स इन माय टीम. वन बट somebody is putting the video, audio, Instagram, Twitter handle, sales team, calling team, Facebook team, सब सारी teams हैं, and none of the people are on my payroll. Do you know why? Because and I am not paying even a single employee को मैं fixed salary नहीं देता हूँ. पता है आपको? काम करोगे पैसा आएगा, काम नहीं करोगे पैसा नहीं आएगा. वेरी क्लियर. और अगर काम करोगे 5 करोड़ बनाऊंगा अगले 5 साल में, ये गारंटी. Understand, if somebody can work with you when you are training them, those people will be the biggest asset in your life, and you don't take courage to make them learn. You have a doubt in your mind कि अगर उसको सिखा दूंगा तो they will go to the other organization. Right? How many people have like that doubt? Yeah. You are not working in your life. You are working for this universe. अपने दिमाग में ये लगा लो. I am right now going to the spiritual part of this journey. Listen this conversation, everybody. Some of you will be thinking कि मेरे लिए business करो, मेरे लिए business करो. You can't. No. It will. इस संसार में ऐसा होता नहीं है. There is a good karma. If you will train somebody, someday he will leave your organization, and when he will leave your organization, he will admire you that you have been a brilliant boss for him, brilliant corporate person for him, brilliant founder for him, and it will create a ripple effect in your life, and you will attract the best people in as a customer in your life. Agree, disagree? Everything आपको पूरी दुनिया में जो है ना, अपने आपको क्या करना है, सब कुछ यूनिवर्सल बैंक में डिपॉजिट करो. आई विल टेल यू वन एनालॉजी राइट नाउ. दिस यूनिवर्स इज लाइक आरबीआई. क्या है? दिस यूनिवर्स इज लाइक आरबीआई. व्हाट इज आरबीआई? स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, पीएनबी, एचडीएफसी, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड, आईएनजी, आईसीआईसीआई, सारी बैंक अकाउंट किसके पास में है? आरबीआई. You deposit in PNB in Hyderabad, you can withdraw from HDFC in Sri Lanka, in Srinagar. Can you withdraw from ATM? Right now you have account in HSBC, you can withdraw from Hyderabad, you can withdraw in Mumbai from Canara Bank. Can you withdraw or not? This universe is like RBI. Keep depositing the money to keep withdrawing the money from the bank, other bank. डोंट वरी कि इस वाली ब्रांच में डाला था, यही नोट डाली थी, तो यही नोट चाहिए मेरे को. ऐसा होता है क्या मार्केट में? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, स्पिरिचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बिजनेस. एंड सम ऑफ यू आर स्टक विद दैट लॉजिक कि नहीं, अगर पैसा नहीं देगा तो मैं सामान नहीं दूंगा. हो सकता है उसके पास पैसा नहीं है, निगोशिएट कर लो. डोंट लूज द मनी ऑन द टेबल. आई एम वेरी गुड एट इट. यू विल कम टू मी विदाउट सेलिंग, आई विल नॉट लेट यू गो. I will sell something to you. Why? Because I know if I am not selling something to you, I am doing injustice to this world. Am I making sense right now or not? If doctor will not put an injection into your body, do you think that you get vaccinated? No. The karma of doctor is to get you injected. The karma of salesman is to sell. The karma of a businessman to push the product to the customer. The karma, you behave your karma. हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, अरे ये बहुत पुशी हो रहा है. आपको लग रहा है पुशी, लेकिन उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. Am I making sense right now? Right now I can't sell the insurance. Why? Because he's not buying. Understand, when something happen in his life and his claim will come, they will bless you for your entire life. Somebody is right now in the insurance, in insurance people, the people who are selling the insurance or any other product like production plan, don't feel like that. I am telling you, the sales is the biggest service on this planet Earth. Yeah, Shankar, just be with me here. Be with me. This is personal finance only. What I am talking right now is the personal finance in the business. Yeah, thank you. So understand one thing, until unless you are not thinking that कैसे salary बढ़ेगा, कैसे customer को help कर सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Because one customer will bring you 10 customers. Agreed or disagreed? One good customer will bring 10 customers in your life, and that is how you need to start thinking how I can attract more number of customers. That's what it will happen in your life, right? So thank you so much. Now can I tell you something about myself in next 2 minutes, 3 minutes? I haven't spoken about that one, right? Perfect, thank you so much. So this is my name is Sandeep Gupta. I am coming from all those beautiful cities. I'm coming from Lucknow, city of Lucknow, then moved to the city of Delhi, then Hyderabad and Bangalore. I started working with the Max New York Life, moved to the State Bank of India Credit Card Vision, then ICICI Bank, ING, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. This is what I love to do. Since last 7 years, I have visited more than 15 times overseas countries, and my only interest is to at least visit 150 countries in next 25 years. और मेरा तो काम ही नहीं है. I want to visit at least 150 countries in next 25 years along with my daughter and along with my wife. That's all. You need to replace yourself. अगर आपको ये लग रहा है कि ऐसा possible नहीं है, look, start thinking how you can create that model and start working on your philosophy. I have met with one of the brilliant people on this planet Earth who has written so many books. First person is the Abhinav Bindra, second person in this Nandan Nilekani, and third person is the person in the picture is who has written so many books on the Gandhian philosophy, Ramchandra Guha. And that's why I'm a co-author of this book called The Billionaire Mindset. This is the volume number 2, and I'm also upcoming author of this book called The Wealth Mastery, your practical and simplified step for financial freedom. And anybody who is reading this book, in next couple of weeks it will be available on Amazon, Flipkart, and leading stores in India. This book is a testimony, textbook for the personal finance. Why? Because this is my experience of 12 years plus your mindset part, because people are not talking about mindset, right? They are only about the FD, RD, mutual fund, stock market, insurance ले लो. No. Product से ही अगर wealth बनती तो सब लोग बना लेते ना. And these are my international coaches right now, where I am right, with whom I am working right now. Robert, Thaddeus, Blair, and Macram. These are the people from whom I got trained, and this is the place where I got trained. MSME World. I lead. I'll tell you about that one. I'm taking the sessions on the Go Giver, business abundance, goal setting, personal finance, insurance, all those things I am talking about. And this is my association with independent platforms in Bangalore. I'm a treasurer right now in the MSME Bangalore chapter. I'm a Toastmaster International. I'm a president of one of the club called SCB BTP. I'm a lead organizer in the Millionaire Mind Intensive Mastermind. And my mission is this. Your business have some mission and vision, and you need to be driven by your mission and vision, not in a small business. If you can't think like a big business, you will never become business. And I'm telling you, I am also not a big businessman. मैंने भी अभी 1 करोड़ नहीं बनाया है. I'm telling you truth right now. 50 लाख पे बैठा हूं, but good है मेरे लिए. 12 महीने में good revenue. अगले 5 साल में 50 करोड़ बनाऊंगा, ये guaranteed. Now tell me one thing. Until unless you are not clear about the vision and mission, how this whole business or product will run in the world, because this word is very fragile, I'm telling you, and these statements will keep you focused what you need to do each and every day. So my mission is to educate society about their finances, helping them to live abundantly, sharing the joy and opportunities available so that they can contribute to the world to become a better place to live. This is a statement I have written 3.5 years ago in one of the hotel in Hyderabad called Trident 5-star property, and since then I am living this mission. And this is what to educate 100,000 people about their finances, how to manage and grow their funds. In next 3 years, this statement has to be fulfilled. And till now, I have educated more than 15,000 people in less than 1 year. And this is who I am. No background, nothing, but only one thing is that how I can service to my community. That's what I love to do. Yes. So this is what about me. If you got to know, great to know. Just chat in the box. Great to know. GTK. And then we will start working on the 6th pillar, which I have made for all of you, right? So this was the topic which I was telling you, right? The next part is that cash is king and cash flow is kingdom. Cash आपकी जिंदगी में important है. Cash नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. Otherwise cash you need to manage. Next point is that why people fail in business, only because of reason, because they don't take the protection in first place. Why people? Because business requires some kind of skill set. You cannot run the business from an employee perspective. No. It needs different dimensions. You cannot run a business from a employee mindset. और employee mindset क्या है कि आज बेच दिया, आज खरीद लिया, 10 रुपए प्रॉफिट हो गया. No. You will remain employee in your life. You need to leverage 3 things in your life. First thing is that you need to leverage the technology, you need to leverage the time, and you need to leverage the money part. Some of you are only अकेले काम करना चाह रहे हो. You want to do it alone. Nothing will happen in your life. I also want to do it alone because I want to profit, but it will kill me because longer run में ऐसा नहीं होएगा, right? So keep looking into your life right now, that what you are up to. Why people are failing in the business? Because they are fundamentally thinking that they will be doing each and everything, and without the investment in the business and you can't grow. And have a horizon at least for 3 months to 6 months to learn from the people who failed. Best investment. मैं तो यही करता हूं. मेरे I am not very smart guy, I'm telling you everybody, but only one thing I know: if you are smart in your field, I will copy you, and I am very good at it. I will ask you, I will seek your help, I will get guidance from you. If you want money, I will pay you, I will get trained by you, I will work under your leadership, and then I will make a success. इतना आसान है मेरी जिंदगी में. Learn from the people who are successful, and there are so much resistance in learning all those logic. लेकिन लोग सोचते हैं कि भाई no. Learn from the people who are in the same industry. This statement will be very confronting for all of you. Don't be in the glory of revenue, be in the glory of profit. I will decipher this quote for all of you. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मेरे 5 करोड़ रुपए का रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर लिया. पॉकेट में कितना पैसा है ये बताओ. How many people are living in that la la land कि बहुत रेवेन्यू बन रहा है, और पता चला घर में किचन नहीं चल रहा है. Is it happening with somebody? You are making money but घर में पॉकेट में पैसा नहीं डाल रहे हो. Is it happening with anybody? Chat in the comment box, yes or no. Chat in the comment box. So many. I am telling you, I always talk about the profit, because you cannot survive in the market without profit. Can you survive in the revenue? No. This is the book of 900 rupees. I will give you 900 rupees का दे दिया, बिक गया, खत्म काम. Profit कहाँ है? And so many of you, some of you will be thinking कि 2 साल बाद profit बनेगा, 3 साल बाद बनेगा, 5 साल बनेगा. Who told you all those stories? Who told you all those things? कहाँ पर लिखा है कि profit 3 साल बाद बनेगा? Tell me which textbook has said. I am telling you, morning I run Facebook ad, 16 leads will come, I will make 16,000 rupees. That simple my logic is. Every week मेरा लॉजिक, मैं धंधा करता ही नहीं हूं अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं बनेगा. क्या फायदा है? नौकरी कर लेता मैं इससे बढ़िया. Some of you will be thinking, no, customer को बार-बार देते रहो, he will come. No, he will never come to. Again, he will go to the another institution and he will buy free something from them. और आप घंटे बचते रहोगे. Profit first. I am not saying that you should annoy your customer. Only thing is that, are you vigilant how you can reduce your cost? 100 rupees product, if you are selling for 120 rupees, now you need to identify how you can buy for 90 rupees and sell for 120 rupees. What? Customer acquisition cost, CPA. What is that? CPA, customer acquisition purchasing capacity, और CPA के बोलते हैं acquisition cost. एक customer को खर्च लाने में कितना पैसा लग रहा है. That's called CPA, right? You need to identify in your industry. You are selling a Parle-G biscuit of 5 rupees. Can you give 5 rupees to acquire a customer? No. I am selling my product for 8,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees. My customer acquisition cost is 1,300 rupees, 1,500 rupees. One customer will come, he will pay me 8,000 rupees, and to acquire that customer, I have spent in Facebook ads, social media, website, all those at 1,300 rupees to 2,500 rupees. Good business. Keep looking in, because profitability is the only truth. And how profitability comes? First comes visibility. Some of you are not, still you are not in the camera. Understand, आप business group में आए हो, फिर भी आप अपना चेहरा नहीं दिखा रहे हो. कौन जानेगा आपको इस दुनिया में? आप सोचो ना, आप कर क्या रहे हो जिंदगी में, सोचो आप एक बार, समझो मेरी बात, मैं बड़ा प्यार से बोल रहा हूं, आई लव यू करके बोल रहा हूं। आप बिजनेस ग्रुप में आए हो और आप अपना चेहरा नहीं दिखाना चाहते हो। आई वांट टू स्लीप राइट नाउ इन माय होम, स्लीप, हु इज आस्किंग यू नॉट टू स्लीप? बिजनेस ग्रुप में आके भी सो रहे हैं, तो फिर कैसे भगवान पैसा देगा? सोचो ना अपने आप, यू आर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग द यूनिवर्सल थॉट। योर बिजनेस रिक्वायर्स सम काइंड ऑफ visibility, isn't it? मैं दिखूंगा नहीं तो बिकूंगा नहीं। How many people? Your poster has to go, your face has to go, your books has to be read, your videos has to be watched. Search me on Instagram or Facebook. My name is Wealthy Sandeep. Wealthy Sandeep. Find me. दिन भर दिखता रहता हूं मैं मार्केट में। I don't forget. I don't allow people to forget me. I became radio right now. Why? And I'm telling you, some of you will come into my community, some of you will not come into my community. It's okay. But understand, आपके मार्केट में आपके बारे में बात होनी चाहिए। मार्केट में आपके बारे में बात होनी चाहिए। अगर आप दिखोगे नहीं तो बिकोगे नहीं। सिंपल फंडा इस लाइफ का भाई। डोंट बी इन द ग्लोरी ऑफ रेवेन्यू, बी इन द ग्लोरी ऑफ प्रॉफिट, एंड प्रॉफिट फर्स्ट। मेरे हिसाब से, आपके हिसाब से क्या है आप देख लो अपना, लेकिन मैं बिना पैसे के काम नहीं करता हूं। कस्टमर आएगा, पैसा लूंगा और उसको 100 रुपए देखा है, 500 रुपए का वैल्यू दूंगा, ये गारंटीड है, ये गारंटीड है मेरी तरफ। एक बार अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू आर टेकिंग मनी फ्रॉम द कस्टमर, इट मींस दैट कस्टमर डिजर्व दैट काइंड ऑफ सर्विस, एंड देन ऑनर दैट सर्विस। देन फिर अपना हार्ट सोल पूरा सब कुछ लगा दो, क्योंकि कस्टमर इज किंग राइट नाउ इन द मार्केट, right? So keep looking into that aspect as well. Next point is that take 10% profit from any of the revenue streams you have right now. Take out, अगर आप एक businessman हो, let's consider I am telling you right now my story, and I will decipher the code of last 15 years. My salary in 2007 with Max New York Life was 7,500. Employee 1,500 rupees में बचाता था महीने भर में। My salary in State Bank of India credit card division was approximately 15,000 rupees in Delhi. मैं पूरी जिंदगी भर में 10 से 15% बचाता हूं। Do you know, at the age of 34 I am financially free right? 35, मेरा age 35 है right now for everybody. Why I am telling you right now? In ICICI Bank my salary was approximately 25 to 35. I started saving only 5 to 6,000 rupees per month. Any amount of money is hitting into my account. जो प्रॉफिट बनता है ना, उसका 10% मैं टच ही नहीं करता हूं जिंदगी में। और ये टच जो है ना, ये मैं अपना स्टेट क्लियर करता हूं। I keep compiling that money to invest, and that investment will keep bringing money, and that's how passive source of income comes. Do you think it is easy for me? No, it was difficult. Do you think that आपकी जिंदगी में सारे ड्रामे होते हैं, मेरी जिंदगी में नहीं होते हैं? सबकी जिंदगी में होते हैं। You have a mother, father, you have a parents, I have a parents. My father passed away, I got married, I have a daughter right now, changed from city from Lucknow to Delhi to Hyderabad to Bangalore. सब ड्रामा मेरी जिंदगी में भी होता है। Rules. Play according to the rules of the game, the rule which you define, none of the other person. कोई दुनिया में आपके लिए रूल नहीं बना सकता है। सही बोल रहा हूं? अपने आप रूल बनाओ और अपने आप रूल खेलो, and then you can't dishonor that rule. एक रूल बना दो, 5% बचाऊंगा, 10% बचाऊंगा, 1 लाख रुपए, 1 lakh rupees revenue is there. Can you make 20,000 rupees profit? 20,000 profit में से 2,000 rupees pull out and start saving for creating the asset in your life. I am telling you, my life is very simple. I have a 2.5 years old daughter. The day she got born, I decided that she will be having 25 crore rupees in her account, and I don't know how. I started only 2,000 rupees SIP, 2,000 rupees Sukanya Samriddhi, 500 rupees per week gold scheme. तीन चीजें, 4,500 rupees I am investing for her. I mark my words, if you are alive in this planet Earth and I am alive in this planet Earth, 25 crore rupees will be available for her. Do you know why? Because I made one rule, and next 25 years I will be playing the rules which I have designed, and then I will become Brahma. And the way you start honoring your word, it will become law in the universe. जो आप बोलोगे वही होगा। इतनी आसान है जिंदगी। Do you think I can't afford 4,000 rupees for my daughter from now? Today, at the age of 2, I clearly know that at the age of 25 she will get married. At the age of 18 she will get educated. Clearly I know or not? If 18 years I did not do anything, then it will become emergency in my life. Agreed or disagreed? Some of you parents have taken the education loan for your kids. Making sense or not? This is what personal finance I am talking about. You create emergencies in your life. You don't plan for it. And I am telling you, emergency doesn't exist on this planet Earth. Emergency होती ही नहीं है जिंदगी में, आप बनाते हो उसको emergency.